from Singapore. Friends who know me really well know I have a couple of passions in life. I'm passionate about shopping, I'm passionate about finding killer heels, and I'm always really passionate and happy whenever I'm in the kitchen and around all things food. When I studied overseas, friends asked me to cook something from Singapore, and I would go, sure, chicken rice, that's easy enough. And after eating it, they always ask the same questions. Wow, how did you get that baulked chicken to be so tender, and why is it so tasty? So come with me, I'm going to show you how. So over here in the kitchen, I've got 2 liters of really hot boiling water, and into that I've put 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, a whole stalk of coriander, roots and all, a couple of stalks of green onions, scallions, and a couple of slices of ginger, and they've sunk right to the bottom. I'm so sorry about that. But what we do to make this chicken is it's really incredibly simple. All you do is turn the heat back up to a full crazy boil for 10 minutes. Then after that you pop the lid back on, you turn off the heat, and you just walk away for a whole hour. Hey ladies, those of you who are fashionistas, you get a whole hour to do your online shopping. And those of you who care more about health and zen, meditate. After an hour is over, take your chicken out and put it into a bowl of cool water. The chicken by now is thoroughly cooked from the residual heat, and at the same time you want to stop the cooking so it stays tender. And that's the secret. How easy is that? To make the sauce, all you have to do is put in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a few drops of aromatic sesame oil, and a pinch of brown sugar. Add to that 200 ml of reduced chicken stock that we made earlier. Give it a good stir, and then spoon that over your chicken. And there you go. You get the most tender, juicy, flavorful poached chicken, I promise you. And if you'd like the recipe for how to make the chicken, rice itself, and a crazy killer chili sauce, and I promise you it's going to be equally easy. Just going to have to invite me back for round 2, okay? Until then, thank you for watching, bye-bye, and I'm going to eat my chicken.
What food?
Why not food? I mean, like, food feeds the soul. Food is what nourishes you. Food is what gives you energy to keep going through the day. Makes us happy and creates a zing on your taste bud. Why not?
Why fashion? Why footwear?
Heels? Do I need to say anything else?